fix Windows 10 sound error, and to fix if you are also facing audio problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11, the first workaround is go to control panel of your system, open control panel, here choose sound, in sound windows go to your sound settings and make sure that a green tick mark will visible here. Again go to properties, go to advanced, and make uncheck the option against enable audio enhancement, means disable audio enhancement in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and finally click on OK and check your sound problem fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open device manager, here go to sound, video and game controllers, expand it, right click on your sound driver and choose update driver, search automatically for drivers and let the window install latest driver for your sound audio. The next fixes is go to run command box and here type services.msc to open services windows in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and in services windows restart Windows audio services. Scroll down, find out Windows audio services, right click on it and choose restart. Do you want to restart these services? Click on yes.